Gospel according to John, chapter 4, verses 43 to 54. After the Thomas left for Galilee, now Jesus himself had pointed out that a prophet has no honor in his own country. When he arrives in Galilee, the Galileans welcomed him. They had seen all that he had done in Jerusalem at the Passover feast, for they also had been there. Once more, he visited Cana in Galilee, where they had turned the water into wine. And there was a certain royal official whose son placed at Capernaum. When this man heard that Jesus had arrived in Galilee from Judea, he went to him and begged him to come and heal his son, who was close to death. Jesus told him, "Unless you people see miraculous signs and wonders, you will never believe." The royal official said, "Sir, come down before my child dies." Jesus replied, "You may go, your son will live." The man took Jesus at his word and departed. While he was still on the way, the servants met him with the news that his boy was living. When he inquired as to the time when his son got better, they said to him, "The fever left him yesterday at the 7th hour." Then the father realized that this was the exact time at which Jesus had said to him, "Your son will live." So he and all his household believed. This was the second miraculous sign that Jesus performed, having come from Judea to Galilee. Brothers and sisters, this is the good news of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
All